Srilekha and this is my friend B Nakshatra S Vasundhara. We are from grade 7, Aditya Vidyashram Residential School, Pondicherry.
And today we are presenting our project, the Smart Wheelchair in Atal Marathon 2023.
Our project is Smart Wheelchair to help handicapped people.
The Smart Wheelchair project is built using a combination of different components.
The heart of the project is the Arduino IDE, which is a microcontroller that helps us control the other components.
To control the movement of the wheelchair, we used a motor driver 1298 which is responsible for regulating the power to the gear motor.
And to enable voice control or mobile app control, we have used a Bluetooth module which allows us to connect the wheelchair to a mobile device.
The Smart Wheelchair is powered by a 12V battery which provides enough power for extended use.
And finally, we used a chair chassis to mount all the components, including the gear motors which drive the wheels of the wheelchair. Now we're going to demonstrate the working of this project. We are using this app called AA to move the wheelchair.
Now we are going to operate terminal.
When we give the command go, the wheelchair will move.
Go.
Now when we give the command stop, the wheelchair will stop. Now we are going to give the command move back and the wheelchair will move back.
Back.
Now we are going to give the command stop again.
Stop.
Now we are going to give the command go right.
Right.
We're going to give the command stop.
Stop.
We're going to
Smart Wheelchair project has the potential to be used in a wide range of settings, including homes, schools, and even hospitals.
It could be a valuable tool for caregivers who can remotely control the chair and keep an eye on the user from a safe distance.
So as you can see, the impact and potential of our Smart Wheelchair project is significant.
We're thankful for our teachers, parents, and the school management for providing us with this facility. We're also thankful for you people for watching this video.